Hey, what's up guys, Habib here. I'm going to continue my previous tutorial about how to unlock this locket door. If I try to enter this door, I will see this notification that I need to get the key. Well, I have to find a key and enter this door. Previously, if you already watched my previous video, I was editing this object pickup script. Let me continue editing this script, and here is the script. I was here. You need to get the key. Yeah. What I'm going to do is to add another function. Then I will call the function here, and let me check my another script, which is the game simple inventory script, simple inventory.c#. Here I have a function is collected, function called is collected, and I can pass a parameter here which is a string, and I will get the return value of true or false. This function, we will use it to check do we have a specific object or not. So I'm going to call this function simple inventory dot instance dot is collected. Here I'm going to paste this function that returns the boolean value true or false. Simple inventory dot instance dot is collected. What am I going to check? I'm going to check, do I have this object or not? An object that I placed upstairs in this my scene. I was placing this object, and it is called important key. I copy the name of the scheme object and I place it here. Simple inventory that instance that is collected important key. Here I make an if statement. If simple inventory that instance that is collected important key is true, which means I have this object important key, then I will enter the door. Else I need to move it here. You need to get the I delete this part and I add this. Alright, hang on. Here I'm going to add a string variable. String required object. Guys, sorry if I confused you. Let me delete this one. And as I said, I need to make another function here. I will call it public void unlock using object, and here the parameter will be string will in required object. Here I will move this function. I cut these lines and place it here, and it should be two parameters. I need two parameters, string target scene. Okay, and unlock using object, required object, and target scene. Here I check, do I have this required object or not? Required object. If I have the required object, then I will enter the scene. I can enter the scene. So I'm going to copy this. Else, if I don't have the required object, I will show this notification. You need to get the required object, then to enter this door. Then I call this function here if scene to go equals to car driving, unlock using object, unlock using object. Here I enter the first parameter. Required object is, what was that? The required object, important key. Important key. And the target scene should be this scene to go. Okay, this is what I was trying to do, and I'm going to go back to the game and test it. Let's go back to main menu, play the game. Okay, play now. Hello. Oh, hang on. Okay, I am here. I will try to enter the door. It says you need to get important key to enter this door. So I need to pick up the important key. As a player, I will struggle to find where is that important key object. I will search for it. For example, I already know that the object is here upstairs. Oh, this is the important key. Let me pick it up. You got what? Okay, I got the important key, and then I suddenly entered this door. I suddenly entered this door. Why? Because yeah, because guys, this is because that I have the game manager here, and I have this current scene and current start point already changed when I try to be here. And then if I click this button, I jump to this scene. The problem is that thing. I need to empty this current scene and current start point to fix the problem, because if I don't make it empty, if I am anywhere like this, even I'm not in the door, if I click this button, I can enter the door. Let me show you here. Now current scene is car driving. Even if I am not in this door, I click this button, I can enter the car driving scene. That is what caused the problem. So maybe I need to uncomment these three lines. When I left the door collider, I need to empty those variables scene to go. Let me guys, because I already picked up the object with this name, with the name of important key. I'm going to rename it to important key 2 and also rename this object on my scene to be important key 2, because I already have the important key, the old one. I need to rename it, so I need to collect it to enter the key again. Where is it? It is here, important key. I will name it important key 2. Let me place it downstairs so I don't have to go upstairs to pick it up. And main menu, play the game. If you remember, I commented these 3 lines on my previous video, these 3 lines, and that was causing this problem that I get today. So I uncommented, and I will check later. Will I get another problem or not? Okay, I'm going to try to enter this door, and we inspect this game manager object. Current scene, my scene. Start from. Okay, let me. Okay, if I am here touching this door inside the door collider, you can see this value, current scene, car driving, and current start point blah. If I click this one, I see this notification that I need the important key 2 to enter this door. I left the object, the door object, and let me just try to enter this, click this button. So the button is not making me entering that door anymore. If I try to go here again, I see this notification. So it is working fine. Then I pick up this important key 2 object here. You got important key 2. Alright, now I have the object with name of important key 2. Then I try to enter this door. see, now I am here inside this car driving scene. You can drive around, go back to my previous scene. Sorry guys. Okay, let me go back here. I'm here because I already have that object important key 2. If I try to enter this door again, I can directly enter to the scene without asking me to collect the object anymore. Okay, that's all what I was trying to show you guys in this video, how to make a locked door and how to unlock the door by collecting an object. Thank you for watching and see you next time on my next videos. Bye bye guys. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to support my channel. See you soon.